Colin Furze made one, but it was all out of metal and proper engineered and self-lit and had the blow lamp on it, and hopefully the first launcher.
Oh, there we are. Hang on.
I hope that doesn't get caught.
No.
This better make a cool noise. Did you see it spinning around from where it obviously bounced and ricocheted?
Are you going to shoot?
I can light it.
I'll shoot up that way. I'll aim it.
God.
Okay.
Bloody.
It's a video.
Oh my God. If it doesn't go, just throw it. Oh, I hit a tree. Oh.
That was brilliant.
Oh. You don't need to see it, do you? Oh.
You cannot aim this at all.
No.
Oh my God. You're seriously...
Well, is how you're going to get that to go in?
Push it in.
Oh, look! Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. Considering his went straight down and his is short.
There's no aim to these things.
Yeah, but his is really short and that went
See how
straight
yours
down.
goes?
Mine is like...
Josh, face to the camera, please.
No.
There it is.
Well, it's on my channel anyway.
Yeah, no, you're already a thug.
Well, this should be interesting.
Woo! Yeehaw, cowboy. Woo! Yeehaw, cowboy.
Yeah, let's go for a round one.
I'm interested in what the round ones do, to be fair.
I think they're just a bit more of an explosion.
Rock carrier goes off where it stands, do not hold. Excellent, right, this one for Elliot.
Oh, that went good. Oh. Oh, that went good. Oh. To be honest, the big one is the only one that sends them up, but they still go down. Why?
Did they
can't
come to the bottom? No.
Oh, that's a good start. The fact they haven't come through. Oh, they're coming now. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, this may be a...
This may be the test of the
Oops,
PVC
they've gone
pipe.
from the drain pipe one. This may be a test of how tough your drain pipe is, Elliot.
Don't know how close to stand to this roof.
Should be alright.
Oh. Hey! What the f... These Tesco ones are like just little flares inside them. Right. There she is, boys. This will be interesting. Straight up, boy. Not scared at all. Fire!
Aim it where you want it and I'll just light it. Okay.
Oh yeah! I want to be able to like just fucking like aim it where I want. Fucking the end final! Oh my God! Holy fuck! I thought that sounded a bit loud. These are good.
Are we good? Okay.
I don't know where to go. I'm on the firing line. Oh! Oh my God! I should have shot that in wide frame. I shot it in. I don't know where to go. I'm on the firing line. This is the correct way of.
There's the fuse there.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Only one film of this one. Oh god.
Echo. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, you might want to get back from that one.
Run, run, run.
He's just walking, oblivious. Me and Elliot were whispering that you need to put them in a tube, otherwise they don't fire. But we didn't want to tell you, which is why we said run.
Oh, we feel right.
I'm scared one through it. We've just made. We just literally made our own fountain. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.